In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a shadow to a cartoon image in Krita. So I have an image here, and first you wanna add a layer here. Make sure that the layer is on top of the image, not under. Now you wanna click on the Bezier curve selection tool, and then you wanna select the area where you wanna put the shadow. I'll put it over here, so I'll just select here and here. And then I'm gonna select this area where the shadow will also come, so it's gonna come like this. Then I'm gonna close it like this. Now you just want to close the shadow, basically close the selection and just close it like this. Now you want to click on the fill tool and you want to choose the dark color from here. Then you want to fill this area and decrease the opacity. Now you can just deselect it from here, and as you can see, I can adjust the shadow to my liking right here. If I keep it like this, maybe this should be good enough, and that's it. If you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.